fit. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to heave me right across her shoulder, but I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's the honky tonk women that give me the honky tonk blues. It's the honky tonk women that give me the honky tonk blues. I later divorcee in New York City, my hometown. I had to put up some kind of a fight.
I don't think so.
The lady, when she covered me in roses, 12 dozen red, she blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's the honky tonk women that give me the honky tonk blues. It's the honky tonk women that give me the honky tonk blues.
Traditional bluegrass.
Thank you
At
so
its
much.
best. We're the Lily